So here you have the generator, riser bus ducts. Instead of running three inch conduits up all the way to the rooftop, we went with the engineered bus duct to accommodate the 3 conduits. We also have our office riser bus duct, so we can tap off and feed each individual panel on each floor and go from there. You have a 208 volt for freezers. Yep. And if it's emergency, you have emergency 120 volt for whatever they want to plug in. You also have normal power and a network drop. And this is typical every 5 feet on every floor. We have 2 4,000 amp services in this building to accommodate everything in here. We have a lot behind you. You have a lot of your house panel, your lab panels on the first floor. Everything's the first floor. It's fed out of this electrical room here. These transformers are prefabricated in our prefab shop, shipped here. So the only thing we need to do is make our field connections and then go from there. So this fire alarm setup here is in every A-side electrical room for the risers, for the circuits, for this zone on this floor.
This is the Schneider Electric BAS panel for smoke management. Main panel from 3M installed, built, commissioned. We also had this interface panel built, gives them all kinds of alarms, lighting, notification of what is happening in the building. We are connected to this through this BACnet interface.
So here we have our prefab panels per laboratory. They all have their own dedicated 100 amp panel. So we designed this prefab to be able to rough everything in wall. It came pre-built, and we had the wall built for us to be able to conceal all the cable and make it presentable. And a trough up top for future expansion as the users move in and down the road. So here in the labs above the ceiling, there's a various amount of obstacles inside the ceiling. The density above the ceiling is just tremendous. There's chilled water lines, there's gas lines, there's plumbing lines, there's industrial waste lines. There's a ton of stuff above the ceiling. Everything has been coordinated throughout the building, and it was very strategically placed in here. But the ceilings above here, it's like a literal maze.
So this is the toxic gas monitoring system, the touchscreen user interface. This is on all the floors where they have labs using toxic gases. Basically, the users, they're able to go on the floor, check out their labs, the whole screen with the floor plan, and then they can go into the lab, checking their different gases, oxygen levels. The panel does communicate with this backnet integration over to the Phoenix controls. Phoenix control gateways for the lab, exhaust and creature comfort is from here. It's all done through backnet. Tri-M is able through the Schneider system to change commands, temperatures, and flows. And this is common for all 6 floors.
Over here we have all 6 generators, ATSs. Those are annunciator panels for them, provided when a situation were to arrive and someone's stationed inside here, they have complete control of the whole emergency system that's in here.
This is the Schneider electric controls installed and a panel built by Tri-M that controls the chill water system here at BPI. It's 3 800-ton chillers and 3 800-ton cooling towers.
These are the Schneider electric control panels for air handlers 1 and 2, the large air handlers feeding the lab space. All of this is designed, built, and installed by Tri-M along with commissioning.